welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to the skin, you need a good facial cleanser, a good facial exfoliator, and also a good facial mask geared towards your skin type. So what I'm going to share with you today, a quick and easy DIY. This DIY is a 3-in-1. So I'm going to make a facial cleanser which you can use as a facial exfoliator and also a facial mask. This will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. It will help to shrink the pores by cleaning out the pores. It will also help to boost the collagen, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. This is good for the face, the neck, and even your hands. So if you're looking for a 3-in-1 that can get the job done really quick once used on the regular, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and at the end I'm going to show you how to use it on your skin for best result. For this recipe, you're going to need a grater and a strainer or a blender. Our first ingredient is potato, and we're using potato for its skin brightening properties. However, potato also have skin tightening properties. Now this is Irish potato, also known as white potato. Take a look, and we're going to use half of the potato. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove the peel. So just peel. Once the potato is peeled, you can choose to grate the potato or you can choose to blend the potato. I'm going to be grating. After the potato is grated, now we are going to strain the juice. So let's just add this to the strainer. You can also use a cheesecloth or a cotton cloth to extract the potato juice. I'm going to use my hands. Make sure your hands is clean if you're using your hands. Just squeeze. You can also choose to blend. You don't need a lot of the juice since we will have to use up this remedy in 7 days. So do not double up on this ingredient. And now here we have our potato juice. And as you can see, we have the potato starch at the bottom. So what you are going to do, you are going to set this aside for the starch to form at the bottom. This is going to take about half an hour or so. And then we're going to come back and strain. Now while the starch is forming, let's reach for our next ingredient. Here I have lemon, and we're going to use a bit of a lemon juice today. Lemon contains vitamin C, which will help to brighten the skin, clear pigmentation, and it will also help to boost the collagen production in the skin. So cut open your lemon, and we're going to squeeze about a 1/8 teaspoon of lemon juice, around about a dash. You really do not need a lot. Pour that in. If you have sensitive skin, you can go ahead and add half of the amount of lemon juice. So do a pinch. This is a dash. My next ingredient is rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin. We're also only using about a half a teaspoon of the rose water. Pour that in. Mixing the lemon juice with the rose water. Next, I'm going to reach for some coffee, and this is freshly brewed coffee. Make sure it's unflavored coffee, okay? We also do not need a lot of the coffee. We're using about a half a teaspoon. Pour this in. Do not make a lot of this remedy. As I said, you got to use it up within a week. So here we have lemon, rose water, and coffee. Mix well. And next we're going to reach back for our potato, and we are going to strain the top off. Let's strain. All we're using is the potato starch, and I'm making a mess. That's okay. And this is it. This is your potato starch. And now we are going to pour our lemon rose water coffee mixture in the potato starch. And we're going to give it a mix. So here we have potato starch, lemon, rose water, and coffee. And now we're going to add our final ingredient to this mixture. Final ingredient is yogurt. If you do not have yogurt, you can use sour cream, or you can even use some curd. We are using the yogurt for its lactic acid properties. It will also have to clean off dead skin cells from the skin, and once used on a regular, it will also have to get rid of hyperpigmentation. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of the yogurt. Pour this in. And now we're going to mix, and we're going to mix well. Completely dissolve the yogurt in the mixture. Now to use this remedy, all you need to do is wash your face the way you normally do and apply it onto clean skin. You're going to use this like a wash. So you're going to wash your face with it, basically rubbing your skin with it in circular motion. It's going to have to get rid of the dead skin cells, all the grease and dirt on the skin, seep into the pores. So rub it on your face for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once this is done, then you can choose to leave it on your skin for about 30 minutes or so, and then you rinse off. Rinse off, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite skincare product. Now, if you're looking something natural to use to wash your face, you can also use this to wash your face on a regular or basically every day. If you're looking to get rid of dull skin, use this on your skin. Just give it a go. Amazing. So there you have it, a 3-in-1. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, don't just watch. What you need to do is give it a try. So give it a go, use it up, let it work on your skin for about a week or 2, and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.